heard about Vivekananda Swami when he was a small child, Naren. So, father passed away early age. No food was there in a day. So, one person's food was there. So, he told to his mother falsely that, I have, somebody had called me for lunch today. ये था. And he went outside, drank water somewhere from the tap and came back so that mother could eat the food. They shut the door so that he started giving every gift. He went on the top floor and he started throwing that gift to any beggar, anybody who came. The beauty of a person is how much he takes away somebody else's sorrow and gives his own joy. How much he can be happy with somebody else's happiness. So this is remember, mind, which mind? Devi mind entered into him, into Hiranyagar. This is a sadhana. There is no point to be. And when happiness comes, we should think, let everybody be happy because of that. I don't want any happiness which gives me happiness. Let my happiness be happiness of everybody. Yes, if sorrow comes, I will not distribute it. I will take everybody's sorrow. Rantidev asked Bhagwan, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, when he fainted, his stories are incomplete. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh said, I was Chandal, I was Brahmin. Varambruhi asked for the boon. Nobody asked the boon that he asked. You know what he asked? He said, every jeev has happy prarabdha and sad prarabdha. You are only drashta. Happy prarabdha of every jeev they should enjoy. Give me the boon that I should sit in all heart and take their bad prarabdha. Their dukh I should go through. Their happiness they should go through. We read in 9th canto. Nobody has asked this kind of boon. We are suffering from our own. Apna dukh pakad liya, apna sukh pakad liya. This is what makes the person separate. You know whom you have cut off from, whom you don't like, who doesn't bother about your sorrow and joy. And anybody who wants your sorrow to take away and gives joy, you will become close. Now let me see the next mantra, 20th mantra. Adhyaschainam, page 375. Adhyaschainam chandramasascha daivah pranaha avishati savai devah prano yah sancharan cha asancharan cha asamsaran na vyathate atho na rishyati sa evam vita sarvesham bhutanam atma bhavati yatha esha devata evam sah yatha etam devatam sarvani bhutani avanti evam haivam vidam sarvani bhutani avanti yadu kincha imaha prajaha shochanti imai vasam tad bhavati punyam evamum gacchati nah Vai devan papam gacchati. So this is the, so earlier you saw vak, then man, last one is pran. Now pran enters. Remember that what was the housing, water? Only I did not think you will ask. So Jal was there, which was the house of prana, and Chandrama was the expression of prana, and that too enters into this Hiranyagarbha. Acha? And what happens with this prana? Even if it moves, so even moving and not moving, what happens? That it is not destroyed. So one who knows that I am the Kriya Shakti of all, he becomes like that. Sa evam vid sarvesham bhutanam atma bhavati yatha esha devata evam sa yatha etam devata. So one who thinks that my Kriya Shakti and your Kriya Shakti is not different. I'll do my work, whether he, and I don't bother, I don't care he does or not, but I will do my own work. Kriya Shakti of a person increases when he does for many. The strength of Gandhiji, I used to think what made him so fearless. So he went to South Africa. There is a place called Pietermaritzburg there. So he took a train. You must have known that famous incident. He took a train from Pietermaritzburg to Pretoria. He sat on the first class. So they were celebrating 100 anniversary, 125th, something like that. So they called me also. Our Sushma Swaraj had come. So they depicted the whole thing. They dramatized it. They put the train, so our late Sushma Swaraj, and he called me also. I also sat there. Our Ramakrishna Swamiji also came. And the whole thing they say how, and they dramatize it, and after he came, he landed there. So on the station, the TT came, he said, "Get out from here, you are not a white person. It is only for whites." He said, "No, I have the ticket." They threw him. So they dramatized, they threw one person like that, who was acting like Gandhi. I used to wonder, take away the controversial portion of his life. I am not teaching that controversial portion of his life. But what made me surprised, at that time, nobody could challenge the whites. They were ruthless and they would shoot. What made him, and it was a cold night in June, it is cold in South Africa, it is cold in June, it is a southern hemisphere. Right now it is also cold. Pretoria, Johannesburg, it is cold. What was that in him? That he was fearless. Because his Kriya Shakti, his power of activity was for everybody's right. Others' power of activity was curbed. Government had cut the power of activity of others. That means you cannot use the beaches which whites are using. You cannot be in the bus where whites are there. You cannot study in the schools where white is studying. You cannot go in the market where whites are there. You cannot go in the park where whites are there. So all posh localities and all good things they took away. Whose? Of the original natives only. And they are ruling with iron hand. There used to be white colonies. You cannot walk also. You had to have a, pass? One pass has to be there. If you are doing your work, this one single person revolted. When you are identifying with others' right, not duty. We are very clever. We tell it is your duty. My right and your duty. उल्टा होना चाहिए. It should be my duty and your right. Tremendous strength came of everybody. He became all. And when he went in the court, so there is a place called Phoenix. And there is still, his house is still there. In Durban. So you please come and see. And there, judge said, take out your turban. He said, why? When you can put your turban, why can't I put it? I used to wonder, and only thing was that why others' activity, power of activity has been taken away. When I work in this world to empower others, then you become powerful. When you work in the world to empower yourself, your power goes away. You got my point. You are working in this world to empower others, and such a person becomes adorable. Yatha esham devata, and like devata is worshipped, he is worshipped, it is written here. Yatha esha devata evam sa tatha yatha etam devata sarvani bhutani avanti. As people worship the devata, similarly, they worship the one who is identified with the Kriya Shakti of all. You go and see, there is a place called Andaman Nicobar. I don't know you have gone or not. Gone? There is one cellular jail there in Andaman Nicobar. So I went there for Yagna, camp was there. I don't want to see anything. This is not my nature to go for sightseeing, zoo, etc. Not there. But I want to see something patriotic. You go there and see what condition that jail was. The way the Indian prisoners were treated was 100 times worse than the animals. They were tied and made to do the work. And there is one cell of Veer Savarkar there. His brother was caught. In the same jail they were kept, and they were not knowing each other. And they used to put, what is it called, on the feet. No. Huh? Chain is not thing. So that both feet are like that. There is a, chain is one thing that you are chained. But there is a rod. So that you can walk like this only. You can't walk like this because there is distance between that. Food was shown there. Terrible thing. And what was that person's, don't take the Kriya Shakti of everybody. And today, he is worshipped like God. Bataiye aap. If he had not identified, I don't know how, 60 years he must, 60 plus he must have lived. Yatha esha devata ev sa tatha etam devatam sarvani bhutani avanti. Evam vidah sarvani bhutani avanti. As people worship the devatas, similarly, one who does upasana, they did desh upasana. They did desh. They could have worked for their right. They could have worked for their right only, like these kings had done. These kings, India had how many? 550 kingdoms. 565. They used to give money to the British. British said, your army is with me. remember one king's name you can't remember. And these people who were from a middle class and lower middle class families sometime, they left. Some were shot, some were beaten black and blue. And these people, they are pujya like Devata. This is written here. His Kriya Shakti, he's identified the Samashti Kriya Shakti is there. They work to give freedom of action to others. You also can act, you also can breathe, you also can talk, you also can walk in your own country. Okay. And then it is written here, Yadu kincha imaha prajaha shochanti. So it is written here, one who identifies with this whole, then what happens? So he has joy only. What about the sorrow? Sorrow he doesn't have. Sorrow belongs to the individual, but the joy of that person is his. So please see here, page 377, last paragraph. Tanna अपरिच्छिन्न बुद्धित्वात् परिच्छिन्न आत्म बुद्धि नाम ही आक्रोशादौ दुख संबंध. You know what is written here? Underline that. One who has parichhinna buddhi, I am only this body, I am only this person. When he is abused, he gets the sorrow of that abuse. परिच्छिन्न बुद्धि परिच्छिन्नात्म बुद्धि नाम ही आक्रोशादौ दुख संबंधः दृष्टः. And what he says? Anen aham akrishtah. Anen aham akrishtah. He says he has abused me. So what is my definition? My definition of I is that I am confined to only one person and one body, and that Hiranyagarbha, it is for all. देखो ध्यान देना, a small bowl is there. In the bowl you put water. In that water you put ink. Immediately whole bowl's water will become blue or black. Same thing if you throw in the ocean. Forget about little, even buckets of ink also you throw in the ocean. All the ink will disappear in few seconds only. So because he takes that sorrow on himself, he is a possessor of his personal sorrow. Sorrow is nothing, but on any issue I become very small. I refuse to think about God, about certain issue while thinking, that is called sorrow. On any issue, I am sad. Because in that issue, I am not bringing the God, I am not bringing the Hiranyagarbha, I am not bringing Kriya Shakti of the cosmos, and therefore I have made that matter very big. Where? Mind. Therefore, I always say this Upasana section is important for all of us. क्या लिखा है? परिच्छिन्न बुद्धि, परिच्छिन्न आत्म बुद्धि नाम. One who has a small mind, small I, he akrosh adau. Akrosh means abusing, etc. Dukh sambandha drishtah. The association of sorrow is with this person who is with a limited eye. And what he thinks? Anen aham akrishta. What about Hiranyagarbha? Asya tu sarvatmana. यह आकृष्यते यश्च आक्रोशति तयोः आत्मबुद्धि विशेष अभावात् न तन्निमित्तं दुःखम उपपद्यते. One who is identified with the whole, for them he is not suffering because he doesn't make it his own. He is not owning his personal sorrow. Moment you become owner of some small thing, you become small. You are what you own. You are what you own. I am owning sorrow. I am owning the smallness. I am owning God, you become devotee. I am owning the seva, you become sevak. But asya tu sarvatmana, he has become being of all. Yah akrushyate. Whatever abuse is given, and whosoever gives that, in both he has atma buddhi. क्या लिखा है? बोले one who abuses, he thinks he is also my form. And one who is abused, he is also my form. Bhai, many times you are having a hot tea and there is an error of judgment. Brain did something wrong and I took very hot tea and whole mouth started burning. It must have happened. You don't punish. Many times these teeth bite the tongue, you don't punish. Many times it happened. आत्मबुद्धित्वात् बोले हमारे रूप है क्या है. He does not have this sense, no, well, he abused me, I am different, he is different. बोले वो बोला हमारे part. Many times we have pus in our body and a person heals the same. He nurses his own pus many times. In my childhood I also have done that. Don't abhor that part or hate that part which is, somebody has defect in your life. He should be given sympathy because he will get bad fruit. हमारा ही एक दूसरा रूप है वो. He is my other form. उसको don't curse him, don't abuse him. He is some other form. Let me see how I can make him better. He needs treatment. He needs sympathy. He doesn't need to be cursed. But I want to maintain distance. You may maintain distance, that is fine. But don't curse and don't hate outside. Don't burn from his memories at least. देखो, forgiveness is a sign of evolution. It's a sign of oneness of a person. उसको लगता है कि हमारे ही रूप है ये. ये हमारे ही रूप है. He is my other form. हम क्या इसको बोलें? I will not hate him. Okay, I will distance from myself. But I have no bad feelings for him. And this is what makes a person quiet. Otherwise, anybody's negativity you keep in your mind, it will last for whole life and next birth also. This is not going to die. So best is settle it here and diffuse it here. Diffuse the bombs faster. You don't know when it will blast. Time is over. One more beautiful line is there. Last paragraph. No, last nahi. Same paragraph, last line. तथा ईश्वरस्यापि अपरिच्छिन्न आत्मनः मम तावत आदि दुख निमित्त मिथ्या अज्ञानादि दोष अभावात् नैव दुःखम उपजायते. Because Ishwar also does not have false mamta and false sense of I on him and not on that. Therefore, there is no cause of sorrow. Very beautiful line is there. We will see it. And I think few 1-2 mantras are there. We will complete this chapter 1 soon.